Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. Today, I want to talk directly to those of us working inside a Major League Baseball franchise, especially if you're in team operations or management. You've probably heard a lot about generative AI, but the real question is, what can it actually do for us in baseball? Let me tell you, it's already changing the game. When it comes to player acquisition, for example, we've come a long way from relying solely on scouts' instincts. Now we're talking about AI systems that can analyze massive datasets, everything from exit velocity to spin rate to injury history, and generate detailed profiles. It doesn't just evaluate current performance, it predicts future impact. It even flags players who fit specific team needs. Whether you're drafting, trading, or planning for the salary cap, AI is taking intuition and backing it with precision, and that flows straight into contract negotiations. Imagine having AI-powered models that simulate different contract outcomes, evaluate comparable salaries, and even draft suggested language. Some teams are using large language models, like the technology behind ChatGPT, to automate parts of the process. It pulls insights from historical contracts, reducing errors, saving time, and giving your legal and exec teams a clearer picture. Once a contract's signed, AI helps manage it too. It learns from past deals, suggests optimized terms, and keeps performance data linked in real time so you can adjust strategy if a player isn't meeting expectations or is exceeding them. Let's talk scouting. The old-school radar gun isn't going away, but now it's paired with video analytics, biomechanics data, and machine learning. AI is uncovering talent in places we weren't even looking. The Boston Red Sox, for instance, reported a 30% improvement in their scouting accuracy using AI. That's game-changing. These systems can break down a swing, analyze a pitcher's mechanics, and project potential, all faster and more objectively than ever. And don't overlook injury prevention. AI can identify early warning signs by crunching performance and biometric data. Companies like Kitman Labs are helping teams proactively manage workloads to reduce injury risk, keeping players on the field longer and performing at their best. On the coaching side, generative AI is enabling a whole new level of personalization. It can create training plans based on each player's strengths and weaknesses, suggest drills, track physical output through wearables, and give real-time feedback. Coaches now have instant access to data-driven insights during games and practices, letting them make smarter decisions on the fly. AI is even being used to monitor mental wellness indicators, analyzing cues for stress and fatigue. And let's not forget strategy. AI tools are helping coaches optimize lineups, design defensive shifts, and predict opponents' tactics. We're blending machine precision with human intuition, and the combination is powerful. So what's the bottom line? Generative AI is transforming the entire life cycle of player operations. From identifying talent and negotiating contracts to developing skills and preventing injury, it's embedding itself into how teams manage performance, resources, and strategy. And it's only accelerating. The AI in sports market is projected to grow from around $320 million today to over $3.7 billion by 2033. That's a 32% annual growth rate. But let's be clear, there are challenges. Over-reliance on algorithms can overlook valuable human judgment. Data bias is real, costs are non-trivial, and privacy, especially around player biometrics and fan data, is becoming a critical concern. Plus, not everyone in the org speaks AI. Communicating insights clearly across departments is essential. Still, the opportunities are massive. With the right strategy, your franchise can use AI to drive smarter decisions, boost performance, and stay ahead of the curve. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.